This video is not about conspiracy theories. We're focusing on the recent developments in oil exploration in Jamaica and what they really mean. Let's dive into the facts and potential opportunities related to the 7 billion barrels of oil identified by United Oil and Gas. United Oil and Gas, UOG, is a company that is searching for oil in Jamaica. They believe there could be a lot of oil underground, about 12 billion barrels in total, which is a huge amount. If Jamaica finds this much oil, it could become one of the biggest oil producers in the world, even more than countries like Brazil and Norway. To find this oil, UOG has already spent $40 million on gathering information to understand where the oil might be. But finding and getting oil out of the ground is very expensive, so they are looking for other companies to help them with the cost. They own the rights to explore a specific area in Jamaica called the Walton Morant License, where they think there could be up to 7 billion barrels of oil. To continue their search, they need to do more studies and tests, like reprocessing old data, called seismic reprocessing, and checking the ground under the ocean with a tool, called piston core surveying. They want to find a partner to share the costs and help them do this work. Therefore, United Oil and Gas does not actually have 7 billion barrels of oil in hand. What they have are estimates or predictions based on their research and data collection. These estimates suggest that there could be up to 7 billion barrels of oil in the area they're exploring in Jamaica, but they haven't drilled yet to confirm if the oil is really there or how much of it can actually be extracted. Think of it like a treasure map. UOG believes there might be a big treasure underground based on clues they've found, but they haven't dug it up yet. So they don't actually have the treasure yet. They just think it might be there based on the signs they've seen.